Hi guys, my name's Danny Williamson and I've just graduated from the High Ticket Closer certification program, and I'm really excited to be able to finally call myself an official High Ticket Closer. I'm now actually a HTC Inner Circle member as well, so it's really exciting to know that I'm going to be continuing my journey and continuing learning from Sifu Dan and mastering this unique skill set as a high ticket closer. So let me just first talk about what motivated me to want to join the HTC program. So I watched the webinar that Dan Locke hosted with Steph and James, and in the webinar Dan spoke about learning a high income skill which had the potential to earn you 6 figures a year or more. He then spoke about the concept of the wealth triangle, where I could use that high income skill as a foundation to then have a scalable business as well as high return investments. And just the thought of having those 3 assets in my life really excited me, because I know that it would give me the financial confidence that I'm searching for to be able to give myself and my family the life that they deserve. I've always wanted to be able to take my kids on holiday every year. I could finally quit my job and spend the time with my kids and my partner, and just live an abundant lifestyle, you know. So that was the main motivator for me, as well as having a skill set that I know that I could always rely on to make me money. You know, I'm going to have this skill set for the rest of my life, and you know, that was very important to me also. I honestly can't compare this program to anything else that I've seen on the market. I don't know a program that can offer this much value, you know, not just teaching you the techniques and the methods in being a high ticket closer, but also transforming your whole personality into operating on a much higher level. You know, it's taught me how to overcome my lower self and drive out any negativity that's been holding me back from reaching my full potential. And now I operate on a much higher level. I'm now so much more productive with my time. I now am so much more open, and I push myself on a daily basis to get out of my comfort zone and become a stronger person. So the lessons that I've learned from this program they're invaluable. They really, really are. So just want to say a warm thank you to Sifu Dan, Kayvon, Desmond, and all the people that got together to make this happen. I was actually quite surprised with the amount of psychology that goes behind being a successful high ticket closer, and learning about how to handle different personality types. And I really just didn't have any idea of the depth of psychology that's involved in this. And in the process, I've actually learned so much about my own personality and, you know, what motivates me. And for me, it was actually more about having the time and the financial confidence to be able to do the things that I want to do, rather than the materialistic things in life. So yeah, it taught me so much about me that I didn't know. And one limiting belief that I actually had before I started this program was that I was going to have to learn to become like a traditional salesperson and doing loads and loads of talking and just being a pain in the ass. And it just was absolute bullshit, really, because this is a skill set unlike any other form of selling that you know. You know, it's like Tai Chi, how Dan explained it, where, you know, you take the objection from the prospect and you redirect it to them in such a way where they start to justify why it is they need your product or service and ultimately close themselves. And just the thought of being able to help people transform their own lives as well, you know, that's truly an amazing thing to be able to do, is help people as well. So yeah, I'm so lucky to have found this program. Dan has impacted me in such a profound way. I can honestly say I had no idea that I would be graduating this as not only a high ticket closer, but feeling like fucking James Bond. You know, before I never wore suits like this. You know, I now dress so much better. I think on a higher level. My confidence is the highest it's ever been before, and I'm just so excited to see what the future holds for me as a high ticket closer. So I just can't wait to start implementing all of the things that I've learned and you know, get into that financial confidence that I want. If I had to imagine where I'm going to be in the next 12 months time, I can honestly see myself getting to that 6 figures and being able to quit my job to allow me to have, you know, all the time that I want with my kids and my family, and also put a lot more time into possibly building a scalable business, and possibly working alongside Dan, Kayvon and Desmond. That would be a dream come true. I know that I've got the skills to make it happen. I know that I've got the motivation and the drive and the passion to make it happen. I'd be an absolute asset to your team. So you know, that's something that I will work towards and hopefully will make happen. So I just want to say, anyone watching this video that's a little bit skeptical about joining the HTC program, you know, perhaps you're thinking, you know, I don't have the time to commit to something like this. Let me ask you this, okay? Isn't it about time that you had the time in your life to be able to do the things that you want to do and spend the time with the people you know, that you love? Isn't it about time that you had that? Okay? If this isn't the time to do that, then tell me, when is the time? And to those out there who are thinking this is a little bit too much of a stretch financially for them, again, let me just address, you know, isn't it about time that you had the money in your life to be able to you know, get out of debt, the money to be able to pay off them college bills, them university bills? Isn't it about time that you had the money to be able to do the things that you really love doing? You know, I took the step, and I'm starting to see all the results from this. So, you know, I'm truly thankful to Dan, Kayvon, and Desmond, and all the HTC members that helped make this happen. So yeah, I want you to think on that, and I look forward to bringing you my next video hopefully soon, and report on some more of my success that I've been having as a high ticket closer. Thank you very much.